Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the speaker off and disconnecting paired devices. This prevents accidental shorting and saves settings. Once done, remove any external fabric or rubber covers and locate screws around the seam. Make sure to use a matching screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to gently separate the housing without snapping plastic clips. As you open, keep track of screws and take photos of cable routes. These images will speed reassembly and reduce mistakes when you reconnect the battery later. Now identify the battery pack and its connector. You need to disconnect it before any soldering. Once disconnected, test the battery's voltage to confirm replacement necessity and to avoid sudden power. If the pack is glued, carefully heat adhesive points or use isopropyl alcohol to soften glue and pry slowly. When desoldering, heat each pad briefly to avoid PCB damage and use tweezers to lift the battery. Keep the original wires organized so the new battery follows the same routing and polarity. Install the replacement battery by aligning polarity and routing wires the same way they were removed. Secure it with tape or adhesive designed for electronics. Reconnect the battery, then power on the speaker briefly to confirm charging and Bluetooth pairing. Make sure sound and charging LED behave normally before closing the case. This prevents reopening if something is wrong. Finally, reassemble the housing, test full function, and calibrate any battery indicator. If the speaker won't power, check connector seating, cold solder joints, or a blown protection circuit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.